So there was that weather vane that was up there that was crooked. 2 of the 4 bolts were gone or whatever, and it tipped over. Whoever put that in did a bad job. Apparently the roofers that did this removed the leaf guard that went along there. They broke the weather vane. They also removed the rain guard that went along here, not the gutter. They just removed it and took it. Ah, roofers. Roofers on roofies. So I took the weather vane down and I'm cleaning it up, and I'm using I used like a Brillo pad, that's all I had, to scrape it down, washed it best I could. Decided just to repaint it and we'll put it right back up. By the way, this weather vane has been up there, we figured 55 years. And I'm the first one to come along. It's held up really well, actually. It's interesting. I'm wondering how they made this. Like, I can see like they must have welded these letters on, but we're talking 55, 60 years ago. Beautiful. Beautiful. So, decided to change. So we went with the red on the weather vane. I have it screwed in 6 different places, 3 and 3 on each side, and I put some gel on it. I did treat the chimney. Everything got a little bit lighter, but not white. I'd have to hit it a bunch of times to actually make it white. Anyway, I'm happy with the weather vane. It was a hard fix. There's a lot of payment here, and that's it.